Silicone wine glass. I tried using it in the last one and it was kind of a flop, but we're going to try it again. Here's my colors. I have Pebeo iridescent green blue. That's green blue, not blue green. I have Deco Art 24 karat gold, and I've added a little bit of quinacridone nickel azo gold to it. We have Artist Loft metallic blue. I'm sorry, metallic cobalt blue. We have Extreme Sheen in deep sapphire. It's Deco Art. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this or not. This is Liquitex quinacridone magenta. I used it in the last one. And last but not least, and I'm certainly not sure if I'm going to use this one as well, this is a mixture of dioxazine purple and also prism violet mixed together. Alright, here we go. So, last time I started out with colors, this time I'm going to start out with a little bit of white. try this again. I did a little finger painting so I could get the white dispersed in case it decided to take over. I didn't want it right in the center. Okay, I'm going to try again with, I'm going to put this in first, a good amount of it. And then cobalt blue. And then my white mix. And then gold. And then I'm going to go back to the magenta. And the purple. And the white. Geronimo! I'm liking this better already. All right, I'll let it sit for a minute or two. Let it develop a bit. But it's looking pretty good. Let me torch it. When you pour from up high like that, you always end up with a lot of bubbles, so it's always good to get those bubbles out. Give it a minute or two. I'm going to turn you off for right now, and I'll turn you right back on once we've, I don't want to waste your time here. Okay, I'm back! Here we go. There wasn't a whole lot of activity here, but once we stretch it out, there will be. I'm still not going to put gloves on. Move this around a little bit, see if we can get some clouds moving in there. I think I'm going to like this a whole lot better. The mistake was deep sapphire decolor. Oh, baby. Yeah, now I'm liking it. Let's go off this edge too, since we're over here. There we go. I'm in love with that color. Oh my gosh. to get too many squigglies. I think I can come right over here now. Once again, I forgot to tilt you. There we go. I know there's a lot of that one color in it, but let me tell you, it is, it's kind of blending to a degree that I have never seen. It's like, oh my God. Oh yeah. It's like the purple has mixed in with the, oh jeez Louise. Oh man. Alright, I'm just going to bring it down a little bit here, and that's it. I think I'm done. It's going to develop, and there's going to be more clouds come up. And this, oh, it's much better in person, but the gradients and the colors, it's just unbelievable. I got some beautiful cells over here, some pearls. And we've got some cells that have different colors, colors in the colors in the colors. Look at that. Sorry, I'm moving too fast. Yeah, this is a winner. So happy with it. I'm so glad I reported. Sometimes we try to work on what we've got, which is fine too. I've done that many times. But man, this, I'm just ecstatic. Okay guys, so I had to tilt some paint off because it was moving too much and I knew it was going to crack. So, but what I ended up with was just as nice. There's actually more cells that came out. Compositions actually I think is better. There's some wonky cells, but I think a lot of the colors popped up more too. So there we go. Yeah, there's the wonkiness happening. They're kind of cute though. They're still multicolored. And then this all appeared, which wasn't there before. Not as much anyways. And I ended up with more cells towards the top, which doesn't hurt my feelings at all. Hopefully I'm not going too fast for you. That's so. Yeah, I think I ended up with a better center too. So I'm not crying. Nope.